Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Alexa routines for smart lights with Echo step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Echo device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the More icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Routines from the menu options. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine and enter it in the designated field. Next, select when this happens to define the trigger for your routine. You can choose from various options like time of day, voice, or device. If you select time of day, specify the time and days of the week for your routine. For voice, enter the phrase you want to use to activate the routine. Now, tap on Add Action to set what your routine will do. Choose Smart Home from the list of action categories. Select Control Device to pick the lights you want to include in the routine. Choose the specific smart lights you want to control from the list. Decide if you want to turn the lights on or off, or change their brightness and color. After setting the actions, tap Next to proceed. Review your routine summary and ensure everything is correct. Finally, tap Save to activate your new routine. You can now use your chosen trigger to control your smart lights effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.